Hello, today I am on the Learner Tools Symbaloo to show you how to navigate to IXL easily, as well as how to log into IXL. So if you're on the Symbaloo page here on the Learner Tech Tools, you'll find IXL in the bottom left corner. You can simply tap or click that to get to IXL. And learner usernames follow typically the following scheme. It's going to be your first initial plus your last name, and you must include the at pequayvalley.is. So as an example, John Smith's username would be jsmith at pequayvalley.is. This is what's typical. However, some users that have common first initial last name combinations may have a numeral after. So it may be jsmith1, for example. If you have questions about that, you can reach out to your facilitator to get that specific username. However, once you have that combination, you can enter it here for username, and your password is something that should have been given to you by your facilitator. Those are individual, and you can again reach out to your facilitator if you need help with that. Once you get signed in through either the app on iPad or the website on your MacBook, you'll see content that's been assigned to you here either under recommendations or under the specific content areas. So your dashboard, once you've gotten in, will have the content that you need to navigate to. Otherwise, your facilitator will provide you with a direct link to the content that is needed for the day. But again, that username password scheme is typically first initial, last name, and make sure you include that pequayvalley.is to get in. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.